police have no evidence to connect me to the Sandoval murders.
Okay. Then I think you need to take a break.
You know what? I'm waiting for a call from Stan about a lead, so
Well, can you do me a favor while you're waiting, please?
Okay. What do you need?
What do I need? Well, I am not expecting anything extravagant. I don't need any fancy dinner or
You want
anything.
me to take it?
No, I do not.
I'll take it.
No, I want you just to let me distract you. You know, sometimes answers come when you're thinking about something else.
You really think that works?
Well, I think it's worth a try. Just close your eyes.
What are you gonna do?
Distract you. Ignore it, please. Ignore it.
I don't think they're going away.
Agent Marshall wants you down at headquarters. We've got some more questions about the Metro Core shootings.
Sam.